Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's a statement piece, a layer of protection, and a key part of your home's energy efficiency. If you're considering residential door replacement in Washington, choosing the right style is just as important as selecting durable materials and professional installation. With so many options available, the right door should complement your home's architecture, withstand local weather conditions, and reflect your personal style. Here's how to make the best choice for your Washington home. Start with your home's architecture. The first step in choosing the right replacement door is considering your home's architectural style. If you own a traditional or colonial-style home in Washington, a classic paneled door with decorative glass inserts may enhance its timeless appeal. For modern or contemporary homes, sleek fiberglass or steel doors with clean lines and minimal detailing can create a bold, updated look. Craftsman-style homes often pair beautifully with doors that feature vertical panels and small window lights near the top. Matching your door style to your home's architecture creates a cohesive and polished appearance that enhances curb appeal. Consider Washington's climate. Washington weather can vary depending on the region, but homeowners often experience rain, wind, and seasonal temperature changes. That makes durability and insulation important factors in your decision. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice because they resist moisture, warping, and cracking. Steel doors offer strength and security, while insulated cores help maintain indoor comfort during colder months. Choosing a style that includes energy-efficient features, such as weather stripping, insulated glass, and tight seals, helps reduce drafts and supports lower heating costs. Prioritize security features. Your entry door plays a major role in home security. When selecting a style, look beyond appearance and consider reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. Modern residential doors are available with advanced locking technology that enhances protection without compromising style. Decorative glass panels can also be manufactured with impact-resistant or laminated glass for added safety. For Washington homeowners, balancing aesthetics with security ensures peace of mind year-round. Think about natural light. Many homeowners want to brighten their entryway with natural light. Doors with glass inserts, whether full-length panels or smaller decorative windows, allow sunlight to filter inside. Frosted or textured glass options maintain privacy while still providing brightness. If your entryway feels dark or enclosed, choosing a style that incorporates glass can transform the atmosphere of your home. Just be sure the glass features energy-efficient coatings to prevent unwanted heat transfer. Choose a color that complements your exterior. Color plays a powerful role in curb appeal. A bold front door color can make your home stand out, while a neutral tone creates a more classic look. In Washington neighborhoods, popular choices include deep blues, rich reds, natural wood tones, and modern black finishes. Consider how the door color coordinates with your siding, trim, and landscaping. A well-chosen door color enhances your home's overall design and creates a welcoming first impression. Customization for a personal touch. Residential door replacement offers the opportunity to personalize your home's entrance. Decorative hardware, side lights, transoms, and unique panel configurations allow you to tailor the design to your preferences. Adding side lights can make your entryway feel grand and spacious, while a transom window above the door increases natural light. These details elevate your door from functional to truly distinctive. Professional installation matters. No matter which style you choose, proper installation is essential. A professionally installed door ensures a secure fit, optimal insulation, and long-term durability. Expert installers understand local building codes and climate considerations in Washington, ensuring your new door performs as expected. A door that reflects your home and lifestyle. Choosing the right style for residential door replacement in Washington is about more than aesthetics. It's about finding the perfect balance between design, durability, security, and energy efficiency. With thoughtful selection and professional installation, your new door can enhance curb appeal, improve comfort, and provide lasting value for years to come.